it was really fantastic session I attended. So Malini ma'am has given us few activities, so we enjoyed a lot. At the end we got to know about the happy chemicals. Also she told us about the Kaizen methodology. There are many things which she told. There are shapes, there are colors, which how they affect on our like mental well-being, and how we need to use them for our mental peace as well as well-being. So I really found this session very insightful, and I will thank you to the Welingkars for giving me such opportunity to attend.